Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to swap X Empire token to USDT in Telegram wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Telegram wallet. Make sure you have X Empire token available and ready for the swap. Now tap on Exchange button here. Now, in the You Pay section, change it to X Empire token. And for the You Receive section, change it to USDT. Then, enter the amount of X Empire token here. You can use max if you want to exchange all X Empire token in your balance. As I don't have any X Empire token in my wallet, but I will show you the exact steps using screenshots. So now tap on Review Details. For this much X Empire token, you will receive this much USDT. Now tap Confirm and Exchange. And now you have successfully swapped USDT to X Empire token. So that's basically how you can swap X Empire token to USDT in Telegram wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.